What I'm really curious, just like me personally, and I'm sure a lot of other people are gonna be curious about, is like, where do I even start as far as like trying to build value for myself? How do I think about like, should I sell something? Should I provide a service or anything in between? And then once I make that first decision, where does the decision tree go from there? What are like the series of steps to building my own business?
I think the big piece here has to be like, why do you want to do it first? I get to meet like anywhere between like 5 to 10 founders a week through just Mentor Pass. I always start with like, why are you doing this? And sometimes you have people who are like, I just want to make money outside of my corporate job. Some people are like, hey, I'm really passionate about this like snack trend because there's not enough gluten-free options out there for me, so I wanted to build this. And then there's some people who are just like, you know, I really just want to learn e-commerce and this is my way to learn, and so I'm building something that I'm passionate about instead of working something. You have all these different whys, and I think the whys really is super important. So like I would ask, you know, and maybe you would do a little bit of scenario, like if you were to start something, why would you want to start something? And I think that's really important here. And based on that, that influences a decision tree. Because if you were to say, I just want to make more money, then it's like, all right, well, we're not going to reinvent the wheel. We're going to go to TikTok shops, and we're going to go call it data, and I'm going to find out the top 5 products that are selling right now. We're going to go and take those top 5 products, and we're going to remove one ingredient and add a new one, and we're going to go and scale another product that is an absolute iteration of it. We're going to then go to maybe Pietra and go to their data funnel to see what creative were used to scale those products. We're going to reverse engineer that and go get some bunch of UGC to go and build that all over. And you can literally go and then go to Facebook ad library, see where they're driving their traffic to, whether it's PDP or funnels or advertorials or VSLs. Literally go and copy paste those, right? And go rebuild those on Reflow. And then what I would do is go and start to run that traffic on TikTok, Google, Facebook, and Snapchat and AppLovin. Then I would go and take those and basically say, hey, where am I getting the best ROAS? And I'd scale back down onto it, and I'd say, hey, this is a target amount I want to get to. If you want to get to 10K a day, you're probably gonna have to spend 3.5K a day, and then that's it. You can get to 10K a day. Like, it's very simple. But
wait, that was insane.
Like,
that's like the whole playbook right there. I'm gonna get back to the office. I'm gonna write all that down, and I'm gonna do it on the Slash account. Actually, we want to create a business.
Do a Slash account. Yeah, that's sick. That would be sick.
All right. Okay. Okay. That was really good, dude. I'm gonna.
But like that's if the goal is just to make money.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, if your goal is like, hey, like I'm really passionate about building the first way to put 40 grams of protein into a shot because I can't drink protein shakes because they make me full and I don't have time, and I want to put it into a shot, and I need to go and find the way to do that. I don't know if it's even possible, but I really am passionate about this because I will have more protein if that gets created. Whole different build out here, right? Now you got to go, first thing, you have to go and see if there's bioavailability of this product. Then you have to go and find an R&D partner that will go and see if there's possible to build this product. Then you're going to go find a co-packer and a co-manufacturer that'll say, hey, I can go and actually create this product that you're telling me to invent. Then you're going to go into a patent office and make sure that you get a patent on this so that nobody else can do this, right? Then you're going to go and actually go and see, all right, well, what are the unit economics? Just because someone can do it doesn't mean it's going to be cheap. Now, are the unit economics going to go and work for somebody to go and sell to? Or is this going to be a $7 shot that no one can afford, right? Because the cost is $5. So, like, the whole decision tree and everything steps are all